Hello friends, today I am going to explain you teeth and microbes. Teeth are present inside our mouth. They are fixed with gums in each jaw. The root of tooth is inside the jaw and below the gums. The main function of teeth are they help us to chew our food, to speak clearly, and they give shape to our face. Main parts of tooth are first one is root, second one is crown, third one is neck. Root is the part of tooth which is present inside the gum, or we can say the part of tooth is present inside the gum is called as root. Crown is the visible portion of the tooth or the part of tooth that we can see that is present above the gum, that is called as crown. Third one is neck. Neck is the part of tooth which is present between root and crown. Now the structure of tooth. A tooth has three layers. First one is enamel, second one is dentine, third one is pulp. Enamel is the outer white covering of the tooth. It is the hardest substance. It protects the tooth from damage or from getting hurt. Now dentine. Dentine is found below the enamel. It is hard, bone-like, but softer than the enamel. Now pulp. It pulp is the central and soft part of the tooth. It has a supply of nerves and blood vessels. As you can see, the nerves and blood vessels are found in the pulp. So there are three main layers in the tooth. First one is enamel, second one is dentine, and third one is pulp. Now, kinds of teeth. There are two main types of teeth are present in our mouth in humans. First one is milk teeth, second one is permanent teeth. By the age of 6, milk teeth start falling and they are replaced by the permanent teeth. Permanent teeth are 32 in adults, 16 in each jaw. On the basis of function, permanent teeth are of four kinds. First one is incisor, second is canine, third is premolar, and fourth is molar. The four front teeth in each jaw, four front teeth in each jaw is called as incisors. They are also called as biting teeth because they help us to bite our food or cut our food. Now, canines. Canines are two in each jaw. This one and one, two. This one and one, two. Means total four canines are present in both jaws. The main function of canine is to tear flesh. Now, third one is premolar. There are four premolars in each jaw. One, two, one, two. Four premolar in lower jaw and four premolar in upper jaw are present. The main function of premolar is to crush and chew our food. Now, molars. Molars are 6 in each jaw. 3 in this side, 3 in this side. Total 6 in lower jaw and 6 in upper jaw. The main function of molars is to grind food. So, they are also called as grinding teeth. Now, how cavity form in our teeth, that I will explain. When we eat food, some food gets stuck between gaps in our teeth. Bacteria live on the surface of our teeth. The bacteria grow well on the sugary food items. Then bacteria make a substance called acid. Acid eat away the covering of the tooth, that is enamel. Slowly, a hole or a cavity form in the tooth. It starts. It starts. Cavity starts here. When cavity reaches to the pulp, we suffer from tooth decay. Here, the bacteria, the acid eat the two coverings of the tooth, that is enamel and dentine. Now it reaches to the pulp and toothache start. We feel pain in our tooth. Now, tips of healthy teeth. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Visit the dentist for regular checkups. Eat healthy food. Avoid eating too much of sugary food items. A dental floss should be used to remove food particles stuck between the teeth. A dental floss is a thin wire-like structure which is used to remove food particles stuck between the teeth. Always rinse your mouth after every me- after every meal to remove food particles stuck in the teeth. Now, microbes. Microbes are very tiny living things that can be seen only under a microscope. They are very tiny. We cannot see them with the naked eyes. We can see them only by the microscope. Microbes that cause diseases are called as germs. Microbes are found in the air, water, soil, and food. They grow rapidly when they get air, warmth, and moisture. There are main four kinds of microbes. First one is bacteria, second one is protozoa, third is fungi, and fourth is virus. First, we will discuss about the bacteria. Bacteria is single-celled microbes, or we can say unicellular microbes. We cannot see them with the naked eyes, and they are of different shape. Their shapes are not same. They cause diseases like typhoid, tuberculosis, and pneumonia. The diseases caused by the bacteria are pneumonia, typhoid, and tuberculosis. Protozoa. Protozoa are tiny, irregular shaped. They are very small and their shape irregular means their shape is not same. They can change their shape. They cause diseases like malaria and dysentery. Malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa. Third one is fungi. Fungi grow on dead and decaying matter. Fungus or fungi grow on dead and decaying matter. They cause diseases like ringworm and athlete foot. And fourth one is virus. They are smaller than the bacteria. Viruses are smaller than the bacteria. They become active when they reach to the body of another living organism. When they reach to the body of another living organism, they become very much active. The diseases caused by virus are polio, flu, and mumps. There are some useful microbes like some bacteria help in digestion of food. Bacteria are used to make curd from milk. Lactobacillus bacteria is there which help to make curd from milk. Fungi like yeast are used to make cake and bread fluffy. Mushroom is also edible fungi. Some bacteria help to make the soil fertile. Thank you.